Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin this time. So situation here is very sophisticated because a lot of factors stands against the Bitcoin. It's bearish for Bitcoin, and today we have prepared a special report on the Bitcoin. This is our 10th article on the forum. So if previous articles mostly were dedicated to some educational aspects, theoretical aspects of the Bitcoin framework of the blockchain, but this time this purely a practical article, and it has relation to the things that stands on the background on the Bitcoin price fall. So we will talk about the hard fork of Bitcoin Cash. You probably know that this blockchain has been divided into two, so Bitcoin ABC and Bitcoin SV. So this is important moment. The ICE futures introduction have been postponed on the January, which also plays negative role. The price of the Ethereum has dropped to the level where mining become not profitable, and other issues that stand beyond the current price action. So as you understand, after the collapse of the problems of with the liquidity on the Bitfinex and Tether. And by the way, the Ministry of Justice in the United States has started the probe on this problem, and that's also plays negative role on the Bitcoin. So you can see overall background stands not friendly, and of course not the technical issues that put Bitcoin price lower. So the specific of these factors in the long-term character. So hardly this pressure will stop immediately, and market freely will turn in opposite direction. So currently on the weekly chart, as you know, we are watching for 25 even target. This is the butterfly 618 extension, as 127 on the butterfly already has been completed. Market is not at oversold. Slightly lower, we have the XOP target of the major A, B, C top pattern, it's 1819 target. So all major support levels have been broken. By the way, market here is 43 even approximately. This is the minor 786 support. It's minor fib level. So major fib level already has been broken. 618 support. We have two minor fib levels, and 78688 slightly lower. 786 already has been passed. So overall background on the weekly chart stands bearish. On a daily, take a look. Market also has dropped below 1618 extension of our butterfly and dropped lower. And previously we have talked about the creeping with the oversold price behavior. Here, guys, by the way, 786 support. What I mean with the creeping with the oversold, this is the kind of action where the market reacts only on an oversold level, because all major supports already have been broken. No significant extension target stands below the market. And take a look what is going on. Market hits oversold, minor pause, drop lower, again hits the oversold, minor retracement, again hits the oversold, minor retracement. So this tactic could continue. Still, in a shorter term perspective, if you make the scalp trades and you would like just to buy the Bitcoin, so here's the today we'll discuss the retracement, how it could take the shape on the Bitcoin this time. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, market stands in a downward channel. It's rather steep. Market has formed the butterfly. It's 1618 target even has been exceeded slightly. So lower bottom of the channel has been reached, and market stands right now on upward retracement. There's two levels that market could hit: the 30%, 43 even, and 48 approximately 618. This is, guys, minor levels, so they are based just on the most recent swing down. So if you will bring here the greater levels from this top to this bottom, you will see that this will be actually the confluence. So that's two targets that could be achieved with the retracement. But to achieve this level, market has to break the channel. And I'm not sure whether this will happen, but still, here we could watch for a pattern. As you know, the butterfly very often becomes the part of the hand shoulders. And here is how it in reality could be realized. So take a look what we have. It's a bit complex picture, but there are lots of some patterns that we absolutely needed for discussion. So take a look. First of all, pay attention to the pattern that stands inside the head. This is the ABC bottom pattern. OP target has been hit, minor retracement. Now market is coming higher. Here we also have the trend line, guys. It will be important later. If market will break this area, we will be watching for XOP that stands approximately 43.60, and that potentially could become some kind of the neckline of the hand shoulders, I suppose. After that, as it will be hit, we will be watching for retracement down, where market should retest this trend line on the opposite side, and that simultaneously should become the bottom of the right shoulder that approximately equals to this one, because here we have the butterfly, and that could become the left shoulder of the pattern. If everything will stand as we have just discussed, market will retest this trend line, will hold above it, then we could watch for the kind of the ABC direction higher, particularly to the 48 even, and that precisely will be 618 resistance of our retracement. So that's the way how deep retracement could happen. But if market will fail to hold here and start dropping lower, be prepared for another leg down. So depending on your view on the market, you could act differently. So if you'd like to take the scalp long position, you could wait for this retracement and think about taking a long around 39 even, somewhere in this area, with the anticipation of possible ABCD action to the upside. If you have the bearish view, you should wait for 2 moments. First, if market will fail to hold here and start dropping, that will be the signal that it's time to go short. So you could try to catch some minor retracement here with an attempt to go short. Or if market will hold here, start upward action, wait for ending of this ABCD action, and for 618 resistance on the 4-hour time frame chart where we could take the position. Here, by the way, we could get a kind of maybe got steeple to sell or something of that sort. That's 2 scenarios that could be realized. But overall background, guys, based on our recent report, stands really disappointing for cryptocurrencies. So let's see what the price action we will get on this week.